everybody. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, we have
Benjamin was super excited to do this video.
I was watching the Sylvie video and now his mommy said get out from my computer and I did.
Okay, so I had a company contact me asking me if I could do a video for you guys, and the company is called Variety Fun. It's a great website. Actually, you guys can check it out. It's varietyfun.com. But basically what it is, it's a site that you guys can get snacks from, and that's one thing Benjamin loves is
muffins.
Snacks. So what happens is there's two different kinds of boxes for the Variety Fun. Sorry, my kid's sick. There is the fun box and then there is the fit box. So
I'm sick because I went to school and I got back for school and the teacher said I can't play with Howard because I wasted so far.
Okay, so there are two types of boxes besides Ben's personal stories. The fun box where it's just regular snacks, and then there's the fit box where there's healthier snacks. So what you guys can do is you can also order two different types of boxes. There's boxes for like your office. So some people like having boxes, you know, for snacks for their work, or you can just have snacks like ready to go for your kids or family or whatever. So what we probably got is the fun box for the home. So I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing of that. But the first box, for the snack box, you get 25 snacks for $19.99, or you can get 40 snacks for $24.99 if you guys want the regular snacks. If you guys want the fit snacks, you can get 15 snacks for $24.99.
Whoa, that's $1 million.
Yeah, or 30 snacks for $39.99. So there's two different types of choices that you guys can have. It's great for, like, you know, events if you guys need to have some kind of snacks going on. There's also an office box, which is a huge box that you guys can check on the site, where you get 200 snacks. The fun box is $149.99, or the fit box with 200 snacks is $249.99. I know that's crazy, but hey, there's a lot of snacks if you guys really think about it. There's also a code that you guys can use at the checkouts to get 25% off. You just type in FUN25 to get 25% off. So you could actually get this box for $14.99 if you guys want to. So this is a cute box. I really like it. It says Variety Fun. It says Taste, Explore, Enjoy. But yeah, it's a cute box. I love these kind of boxes. They're great for just, you know, putting things in too. So we're gonna open it. They did tape it with some good tape, so I don't want to cut Benjamin. We can get this open.
If you cut me, I'll have a sword and I get a Band-Aid.
Oh. Okay, so here we go. Benjamin is ready to open the snacks. Okay, can you hold the bottom of it like this?
Sure.
Okay, you ready? And whoop! And voila, look at all the snacks.
Can I see?
Yeah! Okay, so she left me a note saying, hey Jen, we love watching your unboxing videos. We love them so much we wanted... Hold on. We love them so much we wanted to send you one of our snack subscription boxes to try. We hope you have fun while your table explore and enjoy this delicious box of snacks, the Variety Fun. Yeah. That is cool. I really like that they sent a personal tip. So now Benjamin and I are going to show you guys what we got. Okay, hold on. So here is the box again, if you guys can see it. Benjamin is awfully excited. So
we have Cheetos, we have these.
Okay, hold on. So inside the box we got a bag of Ruffles, Cheetos.
Oh, you put Oreos.
Here we got some Pop Chips. I've never had these before. Andy Cap's hot fries.
What are these? I have these all day.
This is going crazy. So we got Ritz Bits cheese.
You like those?
Yeah. Chex Mix. Veggie straws.
I like those.
Benjamin loves veggie straws. Here we got original Cheez-Its and white cheddar Cheez-Its.
What these are?
These are my super cookies, chocolate cookies. So these are organic cookies, which are nice. Oh my god, I love these. Circus Animal Frosting.
Oreos in here, guys.
More Oreos?
Yeah.
Wow. And then we got barbecue Lay's.
What's that called? Barbecue Lay's.
Show them. They didn't see that. Rice Krispie bar.
I like those.
Yeah. Popcorners, kettle corn chips. I know the husband would love them.
I like these.
Doritos.
I like those. I want those on YouTube.
Yeah, so there's 25 snacks in here you guys can get for $14.99 with that promo code.
What snacks?
Okay, hold on, little man. Hold on. We got Funyuns. These are great for road
And
trips.
then I bring these to school.
Yeah, bite-sized cookies.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, show them what else you got. We got a little thing of Welch's fruit snacks.
And these.
Matzah's fruit snacks. What else is there? Oh, I see candy. Woohoo!
Airheads! I have it!
We got Airheads. What's
Mommy,
this?
Mommy,
Grandma's chocolate brownie cookies.
Mommy, at the end, can we eat these at the end?
Yeah. Fruit roll-ups.
What?
Here we got Weiss cheese doodles.
Can you scoot
Which is
over?
I have to scoot over for the snacks. Okay, what else we got? We got Nature Valley's fruit and nut bars. We also have chewy dark chocolate chunk granola bar.
Oh.
We got a Pure Sweet Baking Company chocolate chip mini cookies.
I found more.
Vanilla wafers.
Oh.
Mini Chips Ahoy's. Hold on, honey. Hold
Animal
on.
crackers.
Weiss honey barbecue chips.
Animal crackers.
Animal crackers.
More cookies.
More Rice Krispie bars.
And peanuts.
It never ends. Peanuts. Whoop! We're losing the snacks. Hold on, honey. We got another Grandma's chocolate chip cookie. Okay, you get it. We're just having snacks everywhere. I wish I brought my camera to show you guys my pile.
Kinder Eggs.
No, we didn't get any Kinder Eggs. No, he found that on my desk. Okay, that's not included in the box.
That's in the end.
Okay, let's see what. Show everybody else what else we got. Show everybody else.
Hey guys, something fall over me I got and I have
What's this? So these are Lance
cheese.
lemon cream crackers, and then we also got. Ooh, husband will like these spicy cheddar crackers. Ooh, I've always wanted to try this cookie. Always wanted to try this. The Stroop waffle. Hold on, honey. Stroop waffle. It's a waffle filled with caramel, cinnamon, and bourbon vanilla. Oh my goodness, I want to try that.
You want to try this?
Then we got another chocolate chip cookie and a sweet and salty peanut granola bar. So that was it, you guys. That is crazy.
Let's open the next box.
I think for $14.99 or $19.99.
Let's open this box.
Hold on, honey. You guys could get a really good deal for all this. This is great for if you want.
Eating time.
If you guys, what do you want? You can pick one treat to eat. You gonna eat that one? Okay, pick one. Okay, he wants the fruit snacks. I think for $19.99, you can eat all this stuff. Yeah, for $19.99, I think that's actually a pretty good deal. You get 25 snacks in here. I mean, if you guys think about it, I got a lot of stuff. This should last you a while. This is great for road trips. If you guys ever need to go like on a road trip or you're going on a vacation and you want some snacks to bring with, this is a nice little box just to take with you. I think it's great, but it is a subscription box. You can get it, I think, once a month or twice a month if you guys want to do that, but I will have the information below. Thank you, guys. Say thank you for sending us a box.
And you want to open the next one.
Okay, say thank you for sending us a box of snacks.
Thank you for sending a box for me. And now we have another box. We have
another box of video we're going to do, but that's going to be in another video. But say thank you very much, and say thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to go enjoy all my snacks.
And I'm going to enjoy my snacks. Can I open this one?
Yep, just hold on, honey.
After this is done.
But you got to say thank you for the box of goodies.
Thank you for the box and goodies.
And don't forget to give this video a
subscribe up for snacks.
A thumbs up for snacks, and don't forget to subscribe to us. Say bye-bye.
Bye.